Hi, I'm Harriet. I'm an assistant here at DLEAH, and today I'll be talking about setting up a kennel for when you either have time to set it up before you have a patient, or if you have a patient that's going into a kennel, how to set it up once that patient's ready. So once you're ready to set up that kennel, you can first grab a blanket and then a towel on top of that, but it can also depend on what your patient needs. So if you have a patient that has arthritis or is more sensitive, you can get them a softer blanket or more padding. You can always put down a neuro mat. We just use yoga mats here if they're really slippy, slidey, anything like that to help them stand. And then if you have a patient that is having a lot of diarrhea or is febrile or needs any sort of less padding, then you can go with just a towel or a thinner blanket. And that also saves on laundry, especially if you have a patient that is potentially getting sick more often. Thanks for watching.